napaka-struggle still magpa-picture dito. Ayan, no? Tingnan niyo yan. Ayan, guys. Gardens by the Bay. Hello guys, ito ang hotel natin dito sa Singapore. Hello guys, dito sa Helix Bridge ng Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Yan. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa airport sa NAIA at pupunta tayo ng Singapore at Malaysia. So here we go. I'm excited na tayo at ito, boarding na tayo. Take off na tayo guys dito sa Cebu Pacific at papunta na tayo ng Singapore. See you in a bit. So 3.5 hours ang ating flight at eto, mag-chill muna tayo and then sleep kasi puyaters ang peg natin. Ayan guys, nakikita na natin ang katotohanan. So Singapore na guys, lalanding na tayo. See you in a bit, Singapore. Guys, nandito tayo sa Terminal 4 ng Singapore at welcome to Singapore! Ito guys, nakalabas na kami ng airport at pupunta na kami ng hotel for check-in and then Singapore City Tour. So happy lang tayo Singapore City Tour pero susulitin natin ito kasi mahal ito. Yan, kasama na natin si Mama at si Auntie.
At the airport, not to rush. To make it a place of interest also.
So guys, ito ang hotel natin dito sa Singapore. Hotel Orchard dito sa Orchard sa Singapore. So ito yon guys. So ewan ko, pahinga muna tayo at very tight. So ito guys ang room natin. So napakagulo. So triple room siya kasi kasama ko si tita, si mama. Yan. Ito ang Hotel Chancellor Orchard dito sa Singapore. So, malapit siya sa mga hotels. Hotels talaga, siyempre hotel ito. Malapit siya sa mga shopping malls, mga famous shopping malls dito sa Orchard Road. So, may mga elegant, mga fancy, mga Louis Vuitton, mga ganun. Pero wala tayong pambili dyan. So, ito. Yan, guys. Yan. Yan. Ito yung kanilang water dispenser, diba? Yan. High-tech water dispenser. Yan. Closet. Yan. And CR with shower but no bidet. Yan. At may pa-swimming pool ang peg dito sa rooftop ng ating hotel. Yan guys. At ito, papunta na tayo sa Half Day City Tour complementary ng ating Singapore City Tour.
There is actually the gardens by the bay, the cool house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a concept of the left-hand man, the feng shui concept. Bigger issue there. So the nearby barrage across the mouth of the Marina Marcos is working. Bongbong Marcos and peaceful place without much police looking around the place. Likewise on the left side, this building was a high court before.
So first stop natin is the Merlion Park. So picture muna tayo guys. Hello guys, the struggle is real. Sige nga pa more. Yan, si ate. Yan natin si ate.
Now it's a museum. Do not belittle all these old buildings. 10 million, not rupee, peso. Million peso. Peso. This is the oldest temple in Singapore now. Yeah, no, in the prayers hall. In the courtyard area is okay. You can wear your shoes inside there.
Hello guys, nandito tayo sa Chinese temple. Yan, temple na naman. Sa Taiwan may ganito eh. So yan, So may mga Buddhist area dito sa Chinese temple. Freeway Tour Tian Hock Keng. This is Tian Hock Keng. So yan guys, bawal mag-video sa loob.
A bit of explanation so you find more meaningful to have a look inside there, huh? Alright, welcome to China now, South China Sea. Pay attention now because we are melt. Now we are melt in the sun, huh? We are all like every fire. I cannot talk too loudly. It's a place of worship. We have to respect, huh? Right. Some Chinese people, to some people, they believe the lions and king walk out the evil. So they put a pair of lions to keep the entrance free of unwanted elements. Okay? So one which is the female. How do you know? How do you know? You have to tell me the sign. Authority that controls the rainfall on earth. Alright? So you can see the dragon make of different
Yan guys, yung loob ng temple. Sa bawal daw mag-picture sa loob. Yan sila mama, oh yan. Selfie. Mga senyores. Senyores po yan. Mga kasama ko, yan. Best friend.
Okay, after that, the first stop will be Gardens by the Bay. To have a picture, a very famous Garden by the Bay, which you may want to go yourself one day because they need 2 hours to explore the whole garden. Then we have our own.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Gardens by the Bay. Yan, entrance lang tayo kasi wala tayong ticket sa loob. Yan, no? Gardens by the Bay.
Alright, a fast one.
Nasa Garden by the Bay. Garden by the Bay. In Singapore, maganda. Here it's too hot. Like in the Philippines.
Oh, payong.
It's too hot. We need umbrella. We need umbrella. It's too hot in Singapore today. Hi guys. We're in Singapore.
Yan, oh. Ito. Yan po. Guys, Gardens by the Bay. Yan. So, dito tayo sa Gardens by the Bay, guys. So, hindi tayo makapasok sa loob kasi may entrance. So, dito lang tayo. Yan. May light shows daw dito later. So, let's see. Galing, di ba? Picture sila.
You're going there tomorrow. Universal Studio, not to buy apartments, huh? Alright? See the big container empty? So make sure you count. All the people are here, all the humans are here. We looked. Okay? So please be punctual, watch your timing. We don't want anybody to wait for anybody. Okay? So we are leaving the Universal Studio the whole day there. It's the island of Sentosa. You want to do other things also can. You want to do the cable car there, you can do the because people drink a lot of Corona beer. Huh? Drink too much Corona beer, got Corona virus.
Guys, dito sa Helix Bridge ng Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Yan, ha? Diba? So, Guys, nandito tayo sa Marina Bay Sands. That's the Helix Bridge. Hello guys. Hello guys, so papunta tayo ngayon sa may light show ulit. So, Marina Bay light show, walang katapusang light show. Marina Bay Sands. Welcome na. Guys, dito tayo sa Lucky Plaza here in Singapore at dito tayo nag-dinner at nag-shopping ng pasalubong package. Yeah. So, haggard-haggard ng aking mukha. Yeah. Ating shopping. Almost Pinoy. Puro Pinoy yan nandito. Stall. Mga nagtitinda. Pinoy. Yeah. Lucky Plaza. Lucky Plaza. Maukay-ukay. Madami din. Indiano, Singapore. Hello guys, dito tayo mag-dinner. Hainanese chicken ang ating dinner. Yan guys, ang Hainanese chicken, authentic Singaporean cuisine. And then, umorder din tayo ng rendang, beef rendang. So, yan ang ating dinner for tonight. So, authentic Singaporean din. Pero parang Malaysian yun guys. So, eat tayo guys. Enjoy. Let's eat guys. Nandito tayo sa One Fullerton Hotel dito sa Merlion at yan, yun natin ang beauty, night beauty ng Marina Bay Sands. Hello guys, let's watch and enjoy the fountain and light show here in Marina Bay Sands, Singapore, at ito ang ating last stop ngayon sa ating Singapore City Tour ngayong araw na ito. And let's enjoy the night and let's have fun and see you guys tomorrow in our Universal Studios Singapore tomorrow tour. Yeah, see you guys and enjoy the night.